Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox a full crystalline diamond painting kit from American seller Crystal Canvas Art Designs. This diamond painting came in really very fast in 2 days. I ordered it on August 2nd and on August 4th I already had it delivered. So this is a pretty big diamond painting kit, 50 by 60 centimeters, so 20 by 24 inches. It is diamond painted with crystals only. Here it is. But guys, you need to remember, unboxing does not give the diamond painting a justice. It looks absolutely different when completed. To tell you the truth, if I saw it like this, I wouldn't purchase it. I mean, yeah, it's cute, but no more than that. If it is on the discount, if it was on discount, most likely I would buy it, but it should have been on a very good discount. But Amy, the owner of the store, the seller, uploaded a video review. I mean, a video of a completed diamond painting, a video of a completed design, of this design. Oh my God. It is beyond comparison to what you see now. It is so gorgeous, so vibrant, so bright, so beautiful, so detailed. It is so detailed that you can see every single kernel in the corn. I was speechless when I saw it. And I'm like, I'm pretty picky with diamond paintings, with the designs. And I usually wait, I do not purchase them right away. But with this one, I bought it right away. I knew that if I wouldn't buy it, if I didn't buy it, I would regret a lot. So it was, I paid $32 for it, but it also includes the tax. The shipping was free, so it's around $27 or $28, which is not cheap, but is not expensive either, because again, it's a pretty big one, 20 by 24 inches. It contains 29 colors. All of them are crystalline, crystals, better say, except of one. Black one is a regular resin drill. That's how it's supposed to look, but again, the completed one looks way brighter and more detailed. The adhesive is a glue. Here it is. It's not a double-sided adhesive. It is a poured glue of a very good quality. The symbols are really very well recognizable, clear. I wouldn't have any problems with the symbols, and they are either numeric or alphabetic. And again, if you follow my channel, it's not the first time I purchased from Amy, and every time I purchase from her and complete her diamond paintings, they turn out better than I expected. This is one of her diamond paintings, a mermaid. I did make a few changes, but the rest is as the kit was originally. I already gave away one of my Crystal Art Designs diamond paintings. It was a cross, and I have one more, the sun stained glass, that is about to be diamond painted in the near future. What I'm trying just to say that her kits always exceed my expectations. And I'm not advertising, don't think that I'm advertising. I'm a buyer just like you. I purchased it with my own money. But I do like companies that work on their kits, that if not hand chart their designs, but at least work on it to make it look better, more detailed. So this is an amazing kit. Now I would like to show you the diamonds, crystals. I'm pretty sure you already can see that they are way brighter than the original diamond painting, than the original image on the canvas at this point, on the pattern. So this image will turn out to be way better than it looks now. Brighter. Beautiful crystals. different shades of yellow and brown and red. True fall colors, true autumn colors. And first I was thinking of replacing the background with AB diamonds, but at this point I am not even sure if I'm going to do it. So this is letter A, right? A and H at the background. So it is supposed to be 9 and 14. These two colors will be at the background. And look, this is A, this is H. Do you see how much brighter they are than the drawing on the printed canvas? Way brighter, and it will turn out brighter. So in any case, I really love the kit. I am really very excited, and before purchasing the diamond painting kit, it's always better to see its completed version, preferably if it is a video, not a picture, because video is the only thing that objectively would show the result of the completed diamond painting. Here it is. Sorry for the cracking sound. My floor is cracking. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I will leave the link in the description box below in case if you liked this diamond painting kit. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.